Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start SQL Server Agent. First, you need to understand its purpose. SQL Server Agent is a crucial component for automating various administrative tasks within SQL Server. It handles jobs, alerts, and maintains your databases efficiently. Ensuring this service is running is essential for all your scheduled operations to execute correctly and on time. One common way to start the SQL Server Agent is through the SQL Server Configuration Manager. Begin by opening it from your Start menu. Once open, locate and click on SQL Server Services in the left-hand navigation pane. Then, find SQL Server Agent in the list, right-click on it, and simply choose Start from the context menu. This is a straightforward method for managing the service.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Another effective method involves using the Windows Services console. You can access this by typing Services, MSC into the Run dialog or search bar. Once the console appears, scroll through the list of services until you find SQL Server Agent followed by your instance name in parentheses. Right-click on this service entry and then select Start to get it up and running. It's a direct way to manage system services. If you encounter issues starting the agent, some troubleshooting steps can help. First, always check the SQL Server Agent error logs for specific messages that indicate the problem. Next, confirm that the service account used by the agent possesses all the required permissions on the server. Finally, investigate any potential port conflicts or firewall rules that might be blocking the service from starting correctly. These steps often resolve common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.